MDAI stock analysis and MDAI stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to be breaking down my exact play and all that good jazz. Look, I'm the only guy in this page that's done this for 43,000 videos and actually documented them all. It's taken me 5 years, but at least I've seen what's printing and what's not. And as I'm just briefly overviewing Spectral AI, my most recent prediction was actually quite bearish. And the tables have turned, you know. We've shifted. It seems like we're starting to pump back up. Now I'm going to mark up this stop, although it's like just the previous stop we've reached. But I wouldn't say it's like not reachable. Like ideally I see the price pull down, shows me the confirmations, so then I take it up. But like randomly buying here will just not be happening. And this is where we're sitting at the moment. It's my confirmation. So you know, all I'm doing in the meantime, just waiting for rules. And with MDAI, if there's no correction down, there's no way I'm going to look to take it further. I'm just waiting for rules, you know what I mean? This is what's taken me 43. I've done 43,000 videos, so I've seen what's printing money and what's not. Now, if you want my picks, Discord, and all the blueprints, just click the first link in the description. Absolutely risk-free. 1,200 people already tried it.